Today, we are exploring Adobe Photoshop to create a high contrast dramatic look. Before we begin, check the description below for the image links. Now, let's jump into Photoshop. First, go to Adjustment Layers and select the black and white layer. From the presets, choose the high contrast red filter and change the blending mode to multiply. Perfect. Now, let's compare the before and after. Next, apply the same effect to another image using Photoshop Actions. To do this, navigate to the Windows menu and select Actions. Choose the High Contrast Dramatic Look action and click on the play button. This will automatically apply the effect to your image. You can download the Photoshop action file from the link provided in the description. Now, let's compare the before and after. Based on the image, adjust the brightness and contrast by adding a curves adjustment layer. That's it, a high contrast dramatic look in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to write in the comments. Let me know if there is anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.